What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be looking at the Dracula Castle 5075B Plus gaming keyboard. This is going to be a 75% keyboard that you can use for your setup. So let's open this up so we can take a look at it. All right, so once you get everything out of the box, you have a couple of things along with the keyboard. You're going to get your USB-C to USB-A cable. This is going to be an option for you to get it connected to your computer or whatever device that you're going to be connecting it to. You're going to get some keycap pullers because you can change out the keycaps on this keyboard. Is totally customizable. That's going to be up to you. We also have our extra switches. This is going to be the yellow switches. It's going to give you that nice, soft, super quiet keystroke. And we also have some extra keycaps. This is going to be a Dracula type theme. If you like vampires and kind of like creepy gothic type stuff, you're going to love these keycaps because they come with some vampires. They have a couple of spiders, ghosts, little caskets, just some keycaps to bring out the theme of this keyboard. So this is going to be a 75% keyboard, which means that this is going to be the perfect size if you're into gaming. You want something that you can use that doesn't take up a whole bunch of space on your desk. Also, that could be portable as well because this is wireless. You have 3 different options of getting connected with this keyboard, whether it's going to be wireless, Bluetooth, or you have your 2.4 gigahertz connection that you can use with the USB adapter. You can put that in and get that set up. And this keyboard can run on both Windows and Mac. There's actually going to be a switch at the bottom of it that you can slide over and choose your preferred system. Now, this keyboard has a couple of features that I'm sure you're going to like. It's going to be fully customizable. It has RGB backlight on here, which is always awesome to have on your keyboard. Once again, it's going to feature the yellow switches. So you're going to have that nice soft tone on your keypad. Let's just take a listen. Nice and soft. You also have a knob that you can customize for different functions. However you want to use that is totally customizable. It scrolls from left to right. You can also push it to use that for different uses. This also features a ASA profile. So that's going to be the way that the keys are formed. So if you get a closer look at the way those keys are shaped, you'll see that form factor on there. So if this is your style, this is your gaming style, their typing style, you're going to love this keyboard. You also have that in-key rollover feature. So that way, if you love fast-paced games, you don't have to worry about being so accurate. So if you accidentally hit another key and it wasn't the right one that you were trying to hit, it's going to figure that out for you, and you don't have to worry about misfiring on the wrong key. Now, once again, what I really like about this keyboard is that I can attach this to multiple devices. So if I want to use this for my gaming PC and my iPad, I can have those choices. Or maybe if you want to use it for a gaming system or for your secondary computer, you can do that as well. So there's plenty options for this keyboard. It's just up to you on how you want to use it. So once again, guys, this is going to be the Dracula Castle 5075B Plus wireless keyboard. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.